Here's how to connect your phone to HY300 projector. You can use a wireless or wired connection. So if you're going for a wireless connection, you can use AirPlay or Miracast. Ensure that both your phone and the HY300 projector are on the same Wi-Fi network. And on HY300, you need to go to Settings and then go to Network to connect. Open Mirroring app on your projector. On the projector, use the remote to go to My Apps and select Screencast or Miracast or AirPlay depending on your phone type, and then enable the mirroring on your phone. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel and look for the Smart View Cast or Screen Share. The name may vary. And on iPhone, you can open the Control Center and then tap on Screen Mirroring and select the projector that you want. On your phone, choose your HY300 projector from the list of the available devices. And if you're using wired connection, you can use the USB-C to HDMI cable to connect your phone to a projector for a stable connection. Select the correct HDMI input on your projector and adjust the focus and keystone settings on the projector to get a clear image. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.